Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. So today we're going to be drawing my orchid, which I've spent ages trying to get it to flower again, and it's produced this amazing bloom of flowers. So I felt very inspired and I thought I should definitely draw this. So I'm going to be using some pastel pencils to do this. You can just use ordinary pastels if you've got some. Whites, greys, yellow, pinks and some greens. And to blend it, I'm going to be using a stump, which you can pick up from your local craft store, art shop. They're really cheap. Basically, it's just compressed paper with two little pointy ends, and you use that to blend instead of your finger. You don't want to use your finger. And also I'm going to be drawing this on some grey card. So any coloured card really, or you can just use paper. So let's get started. I'm going to start off just by picking 3 of the flowers on the orchid plant. So I'm just going to do their outlines just very carefully, very lightly. I hope you can still see this. So they're composed of these beautiful petals, come out like this. And then there's one poking out behind. And then the inner petals. And then the one that comes up from underneath. And then we've got one more petal coming round here. And the same on the other side. So I'm going to do this for all 3 now. Now I'm just going to add where the stalk's going to be, just very lightly in a light green. So I'm going to start off with the lighter tones, so the whites. I'm going to start off in this direction so that I don't smudge the rest of my drawing. So the highlighted areas will be here. Then going to get a shade of grey. I'm going to get darker and darker, particularly down here. I'm now going to blend using the stump. You'll see what difference using the stump makes. just blowing all the dust out the way as I go along. Perfect. Now we're going to do the inside of the orchid. So there's this brilliant vibrant yellow. And then also a lighter yellow. Now on the inside you can see a couple of speckles of a beautiful hot pink. So I'm just adding those inside. But I want to add some darker tones again. So just very carefully, just add some very dark tones where the light doesn't hit the petals. We're going to blend all of these in a second. So don't worry, it might look a little bit dark to start off with. But we need to have a bit of contrast. The benefit of using a stump is that you can get into tiny little places where you can't actually, well, you wouldn't be able to smudge using a rubber or anything else. And please don't use your finger because that will put oils that you find on your fingers into your work and it will make it last much less time. So do try and grab yourself a stump. You can get them so cheaply from any craft store or art supply store. And they're so useful. You can use them for pencil, charcoal, pastels, lots and lots of things. Just going to highlight the area now. Okay, so this is the first orchid finished. I'm now going to go on to the others and speed it up a little bit. So there's our finished orchid study. What you can do now is you can spray it with fixative spray, that's artist fixative spray, or if you don't have any of that, normal hairspray is actually okay, but make sure that you do it from a distance, just so that you can fix the pastel and it doesn't move. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Let me know what you think, put it in the comment section below, and don't forget if you've enjoyed it, please hit subscribe and like, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you, bye-bye.